Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Telegram application not working. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to try to do is check if there are any updates available. In order to do that, open your App Store or Play Store and go to the search bar and search for Telegram, just like that. Once you've done that, tap on the application and there will be a update button if there are any updates available. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and try to uninstall and reinstall your application. It could also be because of your internet issues, so switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure a stable connection and also make sure that VPNs are turned off. The final thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your settings and finally go ahead and tap on General. Scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset and reset network settings and reset all settings. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.